Okay, here's After Effects 2017. Let's see how to animate a line on top of a video. So let's just drag a video file. I'm dragging an MP4 onto the timeline. Okay, now drag it from here onto the timeline. So that's the video. It is moving. Okay, and now let's go here to the pen tool. G is the hotkey. Simply left click and left click. Okay, now let's add a stroke to it. Go to Effect, Generate and Stroke. And here the brush size, just drag that number to the right and the size is increased. Okay, and if the line currently is not moving, it's static. So let's just go here to the end and click on the stopwatch. Okay, and drag the number down to 0. Okay, so at this point the line is not visible. Now let's go a little bit to the right, and also at end drag that number up to, let's say, 100%. Okay, so let's go somewhere there and preview it. So the video is playing and a line is being slowly drawn from the left to the right. Okay, if you want to increase the speed of that line, then just open this up using those triangles, go to Effect and Stroke, and here at Stroke modify the end. It has 2 keyframes, those 2 dots. You can also move them to the left or to the right, or select click outside there to unselect them. Let's zoom in a little bit, not that much, and you can just simply bring them closer, and now it will be drawn faster. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.